We're at a garage today that we fitted about 2 years ago in Oxfordshire, where we clad the walls, we put a range of units in place, we clad the ceiling with a loft hatch and an attic and the ladder coming down, and then we put a nice green tile floor on. So the whole job was done about 2 years ago in 4 days, and here is the owner to pass his thoughts on how it's all worked out.
Welcome to what was the grey breeze block dungeon that used to be a tip for our house, and I met Alistair and Garageflex at a car show, and the rest is history. Here you see now a delightful garage that we're very proud of, and we've even installed a den for the children to enjoy upstairs above the garage, and we're very pleased with the results. Great design, great workmanship and great quality.